Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exams for Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams like MSc Zoology, MSc Botany, MSc Biochemistry entrance exams. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams like ICMR, Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Puducherry, Christian Medical College Vellore, IIPH, Indian Institute of Public Health, NIMHANS Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if a student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Here first question is, the hormone used as an oral contraceptive is options are A. aldosterone, B. cortisone, C. progesterone, D. testosterone. Correct answer is option C. progesterone. The hormone used as an oral contraceptive is progesterone. So progesterone is the hormone that is used as an oral contraceptive. The hormone used as an oral contraceptive is progesterone. Next question is, carbon monoxide has greater affinity for hemoglobin as compared to oxygen. Carbon monoxide has greater affinity for hemoglobin as compared to oxygen. Options are A 1000 times, B 200 times, C 20 times, D 2 times. Correct answer is option B 200 times. Carbon monoxide has greater affinity for hemoglobin as compared to oxygen 200 times. So carbon monoxide has greater affinity for hemoglobin as compared to oxygen 200 times. Next question is, one molecule of hemoglobin can carry atom of oxygen. One molecule of hemoglobin can carry atom of oxygen. Options are A2, B4, C6, D8. Correct answer is option D8. So one molecule of hemoglobin can carry atom of oxygen 8. Next question is, hypothermia occurs due to loss of excessive heat from body due to sudden low body temperature in. Hypothermia occurs due to loss of excessive heat from body due to sudden low body temperature in. Options are A. snakes, B. frogs, C. human beings, D. lizards. Correct answer is option B. frogs. Hypothermia occurs due to loss of excessive heat from body due to sudden low body temperature in frogs. Next question is, main nitrogenous product formed in man. Main nitrogenous product formed in man. Options are A. urea, B. ammonia, C. uric acid, D. ammonium nitrate. Correct answer is option A. urea. Main nitrogenous product formed in man, urea. So urea is the main nitrogenous product formed in man. Next question is, the largest white blood corpuscle is. The largest white blood corpuscle is. Options are A. lymphocyte, B. monocyte, C. thrombocyte, D. erythrocyte. Correct answer is option C. thrombocyte. The largest white blood corpuscle is thrombocyte. The largest white blood corpuscle is thermocyte. So thermocyte is the largest white blood corpuscle. Next question, formation of urea takes place in. Formation of urea takes place in. Options are A. heart, B. kidney, C. liver, D. spleen. Correct answer is option C. liver. Formation of urea takes place in liver. So formation of urea takes place in liver. Next question is, filtration of blood occur in. Filtration of blood occur in. Options are A. lung, B. Bowman's capsule, C. uriniferous tubule, D. ureter. Correct answer is option B. Bowman's capsule. Filtration of blood occur in Bowman's capsule. So filtration of blood occur in Bowman's capsule. Next question is, yellow color of urine is due to presence of Yellow color of urine is due to presence of options are A. Urochrome, B. Blood, C. Cholesterol, D. Bile. Correct answer is option A. Urochrome. So yellow color of urine is due to presence of urochrome. Yellow color of urine is due to presence of urochrome. Next question is nephron is related with. Nephron is related with options are A. Liver, B. Heart, C. Kidney, D. Stomach. Correct answer is option C. Kidney. So nephron is related with kidney. Next question is artificial kidney work on the principle. Artificial kidney work on the principle. Options are A. Osmosis, B. Diffusion, C. Dialysis, D. Active transport. Correct answer is option C. Dialysis. Artificial kidney work on the principle dialysis. So artificial kidney work on the principle of dialysis. Next question is maximum amount of urea is found in human body. Maximum amount of urea is found in human body. Options are A. Blood, B. Heart, C. Urine, D. Sweat. Correct answer is option C. Urine. Maximum amount of urea is found in human body. Urine. Maximum amount of urea is found in human body. Next question is dialysis is used to perform the function of. Dialysis is used to perform the function of. Options are A. Lung, B. Heart, C. Liver, D. Kidney. Correct answer is kidney. Dialysis is used to perform the function of kidney. So dialysis is used to perform the function of kidney. Next question is sweating is important for. Sweating is important for. Options are A. Improvement of normal health, B. To open the pore of skin. Option C. To control the temperature of body. Option D. To excrete the smell of body. Correct answer is option C. To control the temperature of body. Sweating is important for to control the temperature of body. So sweating is important for to control the temperature of body. Sweating is important. Next question is the major chemical compound found in human kidney stones is. The major chemical compound found in human kidney stones is. Options are A. Calcium sulfate, B. Calcium carbonate, C. Calcium oxalate, D. Urea. Correct answer is option C. Calcium oxalate. So major chemical compound found in human kidney stones is calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate is the major chemical compound found in human kidney stones. Next question is the stone found in human kidney consist mostly of. The stone found in human kidney consist mostly of. Options are A. Calcium oxalate, B. Sodium oxalate, C. Sodium acetate, D. Calcium. Correct answer is option A. Calcium oxalate. The stone found in human kidney consists mostly of calcium oxalate. So stone found in human kidney consists mostly of calcium oxalate. Next question is which of the following does not act both as an exocrine gland and as an endocrine gland? Which of the following does not act both as an exocrine gland and as an endocrine gland? Options are A. Pituitary, B. Pancreas, C. Testis, D. Ovary. Correct answer is option A. Pituitary. So pituitary does not act both as an exocrine gland and as an endocrine gland. Pancreas, testis, ovary, these act both as an exocrine gland and as an endocrine gland, and pituitary does not act both as an exocrine gland and as an endocrine gland. Next question is lacrimal glands are situated in the. Lacrimal glands are situated in the. Options are A. Palms, B. Buccal cavity, C. Eye orbit, D. Stomach. Correct answer is eye orbit. Lacrimal glands are situated in the eye orbit. So lacrimal glands are situated in the eye orbit. Next question is glomerulus and Bowman's capsule constitute. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule constitute. Options are A. Blood vessels, B. Malpighian body, C. Green gland, D. Malpighian tubule. Correct answer is option D. Malpighian tubule. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule constitute Malpighian tubule. So glomerulus and Bowman's capsule constitute Malpighian tubule. Next question is the basic functional unit of kidney is. The basic functional unit of kidney is. Options are A. Loop of Henle's, B. Nephron, C. nephridium, D. pyramid. Correct answer is option B, nephron. The basic functional unit of kidney is nephron. So nephron is the basic functional unit of kidney. In this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exams for public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes public health and hospital administration entrance exams like ICMR, Bhubaneswar, CUT PG, AIMS, JIPMER, CMC, IIPH, NIMHANS, Lucknow University, Pune University, RUHS, Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.